Welcome everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So today I'm exactly close to STRR main road. So this is Hyderabad highway, come from Devanahalli town, and this is the STRR main road. So what am I doing here? So I'll be showing you the upcoming project which is there exactly on this highway. So where it will be further like about 2.5 kilometer from STRR main road. We will be continuing further straight. And however, so this is STRR Devanahalli. If I am taking this right, so this road, this will connect me to Hoskoto and other parts of the city. If I am taking this road, this will connect me to like we have other properties, Brigade Oasis, Century, Seasons, Godrej Reserve, basically Dodballapura town. Yeah, okay. So now we are moving straight. We're going straight to look out the upcoming project by Singapore-based company. Let us go and look out the plotted development, and we'll keep you posted on the same video when we reach out to the site, the pricing and other things. Be ready for it. So this is Nandi Circle basically. So this circle here we have Nandi Hotel. If I am taking left, this will connect me to Nandi Hills, but I am not taking left. I'll be continuing straight, and we just passed the national highway, which is the STRR main road. Let's move. So we just crossed Nandi Hotel. We'll be reaching the upcoming plotted development by one of the good developer. Once we reach, we will show you the site. Exactly on the highway, everyone. So finally we are at the project. So this is the plotted development getting launched by a reputed developer right exactly in front of the greenhouse restaurant, Udupi Grand. So before the flyover only we have this property. Like acres and the pricing we are yet to, as I was saying, acres and the pricing we are yet to receive from developer. So once if we gets like what pricing and other things that they are launching, so we will definitely make sure we'll try our best to keep you posted on this, so that you can plan your visit and you can come and show the interest to the property. This is exactly on the highway, everyone. You can look out. This is the entrance, grand entrance of the property. We'll meet if somebody is available here at the site, and we'll get the information and we'll try to update it in the description if possible. Well, no one was there at the site, so we had to take a U-turn, and the U-turn was not very far, like 1 kilometer. We also have a U-turn where we can take a U-turn from there, and we are right now moving towards the other properties. But however, I want to show you only the upcoming project. Keep you posted on the pricing and the launch date once if they announce this and once they tell us that they have started collecting explanation of interest. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching us.